Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today let's talk about an important step which ensures your car's cabin air remains pure and clean. Air conditioner filters keep pollutants away and also ensure proper ventilation. Let's see in action how to remove and replace the filters. The first step is to open the glove box in your car. Next, you will need to press inward on both sides of the glove box to remove it. Refer to these quick do's and don'ts to ensure your AC filter is replaced correctly and safely. Refer to the owner's manual for more details. Now, all you need to do is remove the cover and you will find the air conditioner filter inside. Simply pull it out and you can now replace it with a new one. A clean AC filter comes with many benefits. It keeps the air inside your car clean and also makes sure your car's cooling system is not strained. A clean AC filter also leads to long-term cost savings because your system will need fewer repairs. For the new filter, make sure the up mark faces upward and repeat the steps you followed till now in reverse. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay informed, stay safe.